sweetie, let's prepare crispy chicken. So I'm going to be needing chicken breast. Let's cut that like this. So we are making crispy chicken today, and this is the chicken breast. So this size is okay. It's flour. Add in onions powder. I add in this fennel powder, then garlic powder. Add in this pepper. Add in salt. Then mix that together. So transfer everything back over here, and then add in water. Then mix that together. Consistency is good to go. So this consistency is okay. So just allow this to rest for 5 minutes. So I'm going to slice that a little bit. So at this point, I'm done slicing the black olive. Come out like this. So pour it over here. Then we are going to be needing this cut. So pour it on this plate. The whisker to have this cream. Let me open this first. So now I'm going to be adding this ketchup, a little bit of it. Then mix together. So sweetie, now you are going to be adding the black olive inside the cream like this. So that will mix that together. It's yummy. So keep this aside. So we're going to be needing this pot. Light it. Add in oil. This is good to go. So repeat the same spices, add it over here because we have flour over here. Add in the same spices, a little bit of it. It's good to go. Then add the paprika, that is pepper. Add the salt. So mix the flour and the spices together to get combined. Minutes later, this I've done marinating. You are going to take one of it like this. Take it to this flour. So add it inside the oil like this. Oh, our oil is still there to hot, but we're still going to get that done. So take another one and do it the same way. Just add the last one like this. And you're going to be needing a spoon to turn it around. So sweetie, look at that. Wow. The fries so perfect. Okay, the crispy chicken is ready, and this is everything yummy. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that, guys, so beautiful. So sweetie, you can tell that this is so perfect, like it's so yummy. So now you serve to enjoy. Wow. So now you are going to be needing something like this. So adding the cream. So beautiful and yummy. So sweetie, this is just so yummy and it's so perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so crispy. It's so crispy. Oh, it cooks so perfect. So let's taste it. So yummy. Don't forget to share, guys, and try it for yourself. You're going to love it. In my next one. Bye bye.